Right, we're here at the Tesla diner charging area. We're gonna go into the diner. They have a inflatable dog thing there. Let's go. They have all the trash cans here you'll need. They have the big movie theater screen. There's the spaceship.
Here we are at the Tesla diner.
Okay, so they have bathrooms over there. And we're going in. Okay, look at this. The ordering thing. We have the screen here. Alright, here we go. Get all these. What'd you order?
I just got a strawberry milkshake and we got a drink.
Okay, I'm wondering if I'll get the burger just to try it.
Yeah.
You can also look at all of this in your car. But what? You got a wind-up racer?
No.
Okay. Some gummies. Okay. I'll just try their burger. Where is it? We'll try their Giga Burger. We'll try that. Okay, so that's what it looks like.
So much pressure.
I'll just leave it all as is. Add to bag. Add it to bag. Dine in, taxes, all of that. Okay, what am I gonna do? None for now. Do they accept cash? Do they accept cash tips? Okay, there we go. Oh, it wants me to pay. Let's see if it counts it as a restaurant. There we go. Close. Now what? Processing order. There you go. Number 95. Oh, I'm gonna walk around. Look at these windows here. They have all these. Look at that. They have all those boxes of little Cybertrucks. Oh, they're still working on this door. Something happened. Oh, look here. They have this whole Cybertruck thing. Display. What is that? Oh, the metal ball that hit the glass. Oh, bulletproof. This is their bullet testing. That. Okay. And what's this? They give you. Oh, there's where you get the water. If you want some water. Condiments, ketchup, and mustard. Some kinds of hot sauce. Wait, let's see. Look at these forks. They look kind of cool. They're like... Okay, so we got some utensils. And I'm gonna get a cup of water. Now we're going into this robot area with Bumblebee. I'm gonna go up the stairs because I think if you go in the elevator you miss stuff, but I'll show you guys what's in the elevator. It's coming. Look at this. They put all their little plastic Cybertrucks here. I have one of those. They gave me one of those from one of the events. It room. Oh, the elevator takes a long time to come down. Okay, it's just rainbowy metal. So we're gonna go up the stairs. Go. Lighted steps, nice. Okay, there's the wheel rail. Here we go. We got the other Optimus bot here. This is Optimus Gen 1. Going up the stairs again. Get the roof. They're stealing. Access. Here's the other robot, the more recent one.
Stand there so I can pick up pictures. But you said don't block the
This is Gen 3 Optimus.
Get close to it. 1, 2,
Okay. Snack bar. You have this driving movie on. I think, wait, what car is that? That's not the semi. That's the, is that a Model 3? Can't tell. There's the outdoor seating area. They have a water fountain here. If you don't want this ice water, I guess. And if you want to see into the city over here, we passed that earlier. Oh, I almost fell. Nice little planted areas. They have all the shop stuff. So they usually have popcorn here that the Tesla robot will hand it out. Okay, Optimus is only here on special events, not every day or weekend. Okay, so apparently they have 2 screens. I thought there was only one. Oh, there's one over here too. Alright, let's take the elevator down, I guess. That's the one. I have a feeling our order's already done. Oh, opens from the other side, I think. Takes a long time to go down 1 floor. But it's very smooth, you barely feel it moving. Uh-oh. Ambulance. There's the monkey bread. Lemon poppy seed. Matcha cocoa. And a big chocolate chip cookie. Right, we got our burger on the tray in the little Cybertruck box. It's a short Cybertruck box. My brother got the strawberry shake. Let's try it.
$10?
Ooh.
It's $5. I mean, that's average for soda, I feel like.
It's pretty good.
Soda is like $4.
But for $10, I don't know, but it's good. It has a lot of big strawberry chunks in it. It's so you know how I said I like that what's that burger place I went, Dough Burger? It's better than the Dough Burger one. So In-N-Out, and then Dough Burger's better than In-N-Out, and then this is better than that Dough Burger one. But the price is a lot more. Alright, the Cybertruck, we gotta push this tab through and let's take a look. Okay, here's the burger. It's so windy right now. So we got pickle, we got a thin meat patty smash, and like shredded up lettuce. It looks like some onion grill. So here's the tray, and you can see someone tested shooting it with a bullet with a gun. They put the speakers here in the plant. You can see Hollywood from here, the Hollywood Hills sign.
Take a picture here now, yeah.
The burger is pickly, so if you like pickles, it's good. I like it. Pickle and onion. Alright, so the bathroom. There's only a single toilet in here, so it's your personal bathroom. Space pod station. Now the question is the big one for number 1 or number 2, or is a small one? I would think the big one's easier to press, so that's probably for number 1. But then number 2 means you need more water, so it'd be bigger, so I don't know. We'll push that one. And it looked like quite a bit of water, so I don't know, I didn't show you guys, but alright, there's a handle here, so if you need extra help, there's, I don't know what this is for sharp needles maybe, I don't know, tiny trash can there, another trash can here, the baby changing station. Oh, who's leaving all these papers in here? What is this? I guess the paper towel dispenser doesn't work well, so people just threw it everywhere. Alright, let me see what the tiny one does. I feel it was almost the same. Maybe the small one's for number 1. And then this, if this soap runs out, then you got this soap. And if that soap runs out, then you got this soap. So you got 3 types of soap. You take your pick which soap you want. There you go. Also, if you didn't notice the first time, you got a trash can there, this tiny trash can here, and then you got a bigger trash can here. I don't know what that's for. Maybe for sanitary napkins. You know what? I don't know. Anyways, okay, is this a special exit? I don't know. Different exit. Where does this take me to? This one's not as polished. It's a emergency exit maybe to go to the outside. Yep. This one's not as finely polished. It's cement. Oh, here's the other bathroom. Oh, that's for women only. And this one's for men. Wait, is it locked? Oh, you need a code to get in. So, yeah, they're watching a different movie. Alright, here's one of the upstairs bathrooms. Different light color, but about the same design. Okay, so my mom wanted the pin, so let's take a look. And oh, so this is what it looks like. So it looks like Tesla Diner. This is what it looks like.
They all drive something else.
It's getting all steamy. I can smell it. We were about to leave and then I smelled it. And I said, oh yeah, I forgot. Popcorn. And they have the little Tesla logo there. Yep. LA's a desert, so the tap water, Milpitas tap water's better. Popcorn's popping. And here's our Tesla popcorn. It's just normal popcorn. Need some extra butter.